All right, guys, I am up super early. You might be able to tell by how dark it is outside, but I am on my way to go get something exciting for the channel. Should be, I mean, it's another project that we'll get to sometimes, and it's about, what does it say, 5.5 hours away. So, lucky for you, you get to skip it. I might add some clips of the drive in here, but I don't know. I'm kind of getting a little bit anti too much editing at this point. So I will see you in a minute when it makes more sense. All right, I made it to the first place in the stop, which is the bank, which I think is like 2/3 of the way there. Also, if you haven't seen the sunrise in a California desert, I highly recommend it. They are fantastic. Banking is complete. Another 2.5 hours to go. Driving, and while I was sitting at the bank, I remembered a pretty funny joke, so I figured I might as well tell it to you. You know, a big group of fish is called a school, you know, and a group of chickens is called a flock, and a group of sheep is called a herd. Well, a group of crows is called a murder. You know why it's called a murder of crows? It's because of all of the probable cause.
Several bad puns later.
All right, I picked up the thing, and I will introduce it to you in a few minutes when I have to stop for gas. So in the meantime, enjoy some more driving montage, but I have another, 5 hours home at this point. So I will stop and let everyone at the gas station look at me funny while I record.
p.m.
All right, here it is. I'll let everybody look at me funny at the gas station while I record this walk around super quick. I'll do a little bit of an in-depth when I get it back to the house. I finally stopped for gas. I still have like another 2 hours to get home, and as you can see, we are at the same place we were when we left this morning, in the darkness. So I'm getting exhausted. I don't think I'm going to record anymore today. I will do a deep dive on the pros and cons and what I plan to do with this thing in another video. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next time.